If you make crochet plushies and pillows, this is the Amazon buy that saves your sanity. This stuffing Fiberfill is the fluff I'm using for my crochet toys and pillows, for example, just like that. Cheap stuffing always does the same annoying thing. It clumps, goes lumpy, and your plushie starts looking sad and uneven. I ordered the biggest size, as you can see, and this is only the half of it. I already used like the half of this whole package. It arrived in vacuum sealed, so don't worry, you won't get an enormous package. It's way easier to store when it shows up. Once you open it, it fluffs up a ton and it's super soft. It fills evenly, keeps the shape nice, and it doesn't feel crunchy inside like some stuffing does. Also, you can totally machine or hand wash your toys or pillows filled with this Fiberfill. I highly recommend this product for amigurumis and plushies if you want that cute, firm, but squishy finish.